Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set your dual time on your Casio AE 1500. So here we have the main time, so the time and date displayed, and in case you want to use, let's say, the world time function, in our case just the dual time, so we can only track another time zone, I'm going to press the mode button until I arrive here. And now in this exact position, I can press and hold the adjust button in order to set the hours and the minutes. I can only go forward pressing the start button. So let's say I want to make it 21. Then I'm going to press the mode button to also set the minutes. And I want to make it 30. I can press and hold in order to speed scroll and then go one by one. If I keep on pressing the mode button, you'll be able to see that we can only adjust the hours and the minutes. Once everything is done, press the adjust button and we have now set our dual time zone, so our T2. In order to arrive once again at the main screen, I'm going to press the mode button, and here is where we have our main time. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio AE 1500, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, subscribe because it really means a lot, and also we are going to post more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe and I'm going to see you in the next video.